The seeds from which addictive opium is derived have been found as ingredients in some bread sold locally. The government's lead agency against illegal drugs has taken steps to make sure the law is enforced against the importation and use of poppy seeds. The report from Carlo Carongoy.
The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency has revealed that poppy seeds, sometimes added to bread products and sold in Metro Manila markets, have tested positive for opium alkaloids. This substance is similar to the opium used as narcotics or analgesic to treat pain. Opium seeds are tiny, nutty-tasting blue-gray seeds inside capsules of Papaver somniferum, a yellowish-brown opium plant. The tests on opium samples conducted on December 2 and 14 last year revealed that the seeds only tested positive for opium alkaloids if they are exposed to certain heat temperatures. However, authorities still have to find out if the intake of bread or any food containing poppy seeds can directly affect humans and if poppy seeds react to human body heat.
For as low as 1 gram or higher than that, nagpa-positive kapag mayroong administration ng heat or ng pag-iinit at 30 degrees. In the absence of that, negative yung result. So talagang, kumbaga may peculiarity yung pag-administer ng test and yung conditions obtaining to get a positive result.
Poppy seeds, however, were not categorically included in the definition of opium under Republic Act 6425 or the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972. But under Article 1, Section 3 of Republic Act 9165 or the Comprehensive Drugs Act of 2002, opium poppy and its seeds are among those declared illegal. Its importation, even for decorative or culinary purposes, is also banned. RA 9165 also imposes a penalty of 500,000 pesos for mere possession of opium poppy plant or seeds. PIDEA spokesman Derek Carrion says a technical working group composed of PIDEA, Dangerous Drugs Board, Bureau of Plant Industry, Philippine National Police, and Customs representatives are working to consolidate and refine the law on opium poppy and poppy seeds.
Iintindi natin katulad ng ibang regulations na lumabas, may mga repercussions din yan pag bigla mong ipinatupad at maaari pong it will be met with opposition from certain quarters. Especially po sa business sector, katulad yan sa food industry na ginagamit po itong ingredients na to.
Poppy seeds became popular with bread products and other delicacies because of its distinct taste and aroma. Poppy seeds are used to add flavor to breads, cakes, and cookies, especially in European and Middle Eastern cooking. In Turkey, they are often grounded and used in desserts. Philippine Federation of Bakers Association President Chito Chavez, however, says poppy seeds are not used in community bakeries and even by other bread producers in the country because of their high market price. Chavez says they will meet other bakers group to assure the public that poppy seeds will not be used in bread products. Carlo Carongoy, RPN News.
The Senate will require the Food and Drugs Administration to explain why poppy seeds have been used as ingredients in some products sold in the country. Senator Vicente Sotto III revealed the plans for a Senate investigation on poppy seeds. That report from Phoebe Javier.
Former Dangerous Drugs Board Chair and Senate Majority Leader Vicente Sotto III has summoned the Food and Drugs Administration to appear in a Senate inquiry on the use of poppy seeds in the country. Poppy seeds are used as ingredients in baking, skincare, and other products. Under the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, the importation of illegal substances that include all species of opium poppy and/or any of its parts are strictly prohibited. Sotto says the FDA should be investigated as some food establishments using poppy seeds in their pastry products have permits issued by the agency.
Dahil pwede sa Amerika, pwede rito sa atin. Palagay ko naman, maling-mali sila ron.
Imbitahan niyo ba ang mga taga-FDA sa hearing?
Oo, imbitahin natin sila sa hearing at alamin natin kung bakit binabiolate nila yung batas.
Sotto proposes the reorganization and reshuffling in the FDA. Anyone found to be engaged in the importation of dangerous drugs faces life imprisonment or death penalty and a fine ranging from 500,000 pesos up to 10 million pesos.
They're trying to cover up for their lapse. So they're admitting that they gave a permit. They violated the law. What are we doing? We're making government violate its own law?
Phoebe Javier, RPN News.
The Food and Drugs Administration has advised establishments to refrain from selling or using poppy seeds following Senator Vicente Sotto III's privileged speech yesterday. We have on the line the FDA Director, Suzette Lazo. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to RPN Newswatch.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am, is it correct that poppy seeds are actually against the law here in the Philippines, that we should not be importing or using them?
Well, first of all, we want to state that we are in support of any effort to control regulated substances.
Okay.
Also, the FDA wants to assure the public that we are working to assure the safety of products.
Mm-hmm.
And I have called for an emergency meeting in order to finally arrive at the FDA position.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the present position, that FDA decision is that pending coordination and clarification with the dangerous drug boards on the appropriate regulation, the use of poppy seeds as a condiment and in other regulated products shall no longer be allowed. The FDA also has initiated today the conduct of market monitoring of poppy seeds and poppy seed containing products.
Mm-hmm.
It shall also direct all manufacturers, importers, and distributors to stop immediately the manufacture, importation, and distribution of poppy seeds and poppy seed containing products.
Mm-hmm.
And we are in close coordination with the dangerous drug boards to clarify the regulations of these products.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ma'am, going to my question, are poppy seeds indeed banned or considered illegal under Philippine law?
Yes, that is now the subject of our review.
I see. Okay, well, ma'am, poppy seeds are commonly used in bread making and in other culinary arts all over the world.
Yes.
Particularly in Europe. Why would they be considered dangerous?
Exactly the point, because this is used as a food condiment, which means there is no safety issue.
Mm-hmm.
But in our case, there are reasons why the law was instituted. For instance, maybe it will provide a gateway for prohibited substances to come in the country. And again, it is the FDA's position to abide by the law.
Well, the question is, if it is already in the law, the Comprehensive Drugs Act of 2001, it says that opium poppy and its seeds are among those declared illegal. Why have we been importing them in the first place?
Yes, that's exactly why I instituted a review right away, because when this happened before my time, having just assumed office recently.
Well, with that said, of course, I mean, we do have to follow what the law says. At the same time, it is a fact that poppy seeds, well, at least to my knowledge, poppy seeds have no narcotic effect as long as they are properly processed and properly dried. Is that correct?
Yes.
So maybe we're barking up the wrong tree. Maybe we're barking at a kitten. We should be barking at tigers and going after drug lords and drug pushers, instead of researching poppy seeds.
We are in close coordination with the Dangerous Drugs Board to discuss the matter further.
Well, ma'am, what can you tell, at least for those who really don't know what poppy seeds are, could you just kind of describe it and maybe tell us more about the flavor and if it can really harm a person?
Well, it's the seeds that's in the pod of the poppy plant. The plant that is where opium and its derivatives are sourced, and it's used as a condiment. It's not native to our country.
Of course.
Where is it used? In other countries. Countries like the U.S.,
right?
Australia, and I think even Malaysia.
Okay, so where do you think this is heading toward? Do you think it's the end for poppy seeds in the country?
Yes, because there are reasons that has to do with drug regulation, perhaps. That's why we need to study it.
Okay, well, what kind of penalties will be imposed by the FDA and other government agencies for those who are found with poppy seeds in their bread or in other foods?
We will have to do the proper legal processes before we decide on what penalties to impose.
Ma'am, there were tests done on opium seeds here, and they said that they found opium alkaloids when you would heat the poppy seeds at about 30 degrees. What are opium alkaloids?
Well, this is part of the opium-related substances, but I did not see the study, so it's very hard to comment.
Okay. Well, the Senate has summoned the FDA to shed light on this. Do you have any specific proposals?
Well, we will be there. Again, we will abide by what we do in our line of work, that is to assure safety of the public.
Ma'am, personally, do you think that this is a worthwhile thing to look into, or do you think this is a waste of time?
It's a worthwhile thing because it's part of the issues that we have to deal with. And I think we should formulate a good resolution to this.
Do you think that the law could be changed? Because poppy seeds are part of culinary arts, and we do have a thriving culinary arts community or industry here in the Philippines. Sayang naman po.
Yes, of course it can be. That's why, again, I would like to emphasize we need to discuss, we need to present data, and evaluate what the best course of action would be. But other than that, when we decide what the law will cover, we will have to abide by the law.
We understand. Thank you so much for your time. FDA Director Suzette Lazo. Maraming salamat
Thank you so much.